Afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the last puzzle for today. In this additional of the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday. It's actually Sunday today, July the 27th, July the 28th, 2024. And I've already saw three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. So the last puzzle is a 4 stars jigsaw Sudoku, and this will be number 8982. And before I start, I always counted printed digits. This one has 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13 printed digits. Could be an hard one, could be an easy one. But the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 13, but it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here a single box, there a single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have dual boxes? I see here dual box, there and here. Well, it contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1. The 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Here, I need more information. So I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for, no, not same for here. 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1. So the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. My next question, do we have here triple boxes? No triple boxes here. How about quadra boxes? No quadra boxes here. Well, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw this T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2. Do we have more T shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember, it's rotated, this one. That this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Yeah, another L shape rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. It's also connected with that box. Will be also a 2. Do we have more L shapes? No. It's the last one. Then the following shape, how about? No. We have another one here. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and the 5, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. The 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area, supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4. And 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes and there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Well. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1. But also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be here. This box can be 3. So 3 could be here. Could be there. Then, let me see. This box can be a 3. So 3 could be here. Could be there. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. It's not helping me here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the... Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be 1 anymore. If you place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be there. Let me think. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 2 there. If I place the 2 here, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2, but we already have a 2 there. So not the solution to place the 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright, then, let me see. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place level 3 in this area is supposed to be here. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box level 2 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be so a 2. This can be 2 anymore, okay. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Alright, I need a 2 in there. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated a 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This box can be 4, so the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 5. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me think. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I need to wait here. Let me think. Well, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. Yes, definitely 4. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5 is connected with that box. So 3 and a 5. But we already have a 3 here in the area. So it can be 3 and more. This box should be a 5. Is connected with that box. Should be so 5. So 1 box left in this area for number 3. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 1. 4 and 1. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. 3 and 4, we have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those. Then, let me see. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that that box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Let me, I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left with 5 in this area, supposed to be here. And I've eliminated there the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 1 number left in this area for number 4. Okay. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left with 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 4. So the 4 goes there. Here I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. Okay. 1 and a 5 need to wait. I think this box. Wait. Here I need to wait. These two boxes can be 5. These two boxes can be 3. So 3 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 5, 3 and 5 is connected with that box. So 3 and 5. This box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. These two boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Then I need to wait. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those. Well, these two boxes can be 1 or 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So if we eliminate here the 4, so the 4 goes there. So the other pair should be the 3 and the 5 here. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 3 and a 5, we have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 2, need to wait. 1 and 2, need to wait. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for 3 in this area. Supposed to be here, so 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this dual box, supposed to be here, is connected with that box. Should be so 2. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 1. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 1. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. We solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 30 minutes. I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again in the evening with the Samurai Sudoku. So have a great and fantastic Sunday. Until then, bye bye for now.